Now let's deep dive into the concept of more than 1 year. Why do we have this term included within the definition of property, plant, and equipment? Now, I want to demonstrate this through a concept. Think about an outflow. You made an outflow of some of your resource, and I'm considering we outflowed money, suppose $100,000. Now, this outflow of resource can be classified either as an expense or this can be classified as a cost. Now, what's the difference between expense and cost? For in respect of expense, benefit, the benefit out of the outflow of the resources consumed, it is consumed, and no other benefit are expected to receive from the outflow of the resources, which means during a particular period of time, the benefit from the outflow is already consumed by the entity. So there's no other benefit that the entity is going to receive. Now let's look into what do we mean by cost. The term cost means the benefit of the outflow is yet to be consumed in full, yet to be consumed in full, and the entity is expected to receive the benefit over the future period of time. Now, I just want to bifurcate these two through an example. Suppose you purchased a car. Suppose you purchase a car for $100,000. Now, ask yourself, did you consume all the benefit associated with the car within a particular period of time? No. You can get the benefit for n number of years in the future, maybe 5 years, maybe 10 years. Then in such a case, it's appropriate to classify this outflow as a cost rather than as an expense, because the benefit from the outflow is yet to be consumed. If it is consumed within year one, then in such a case I can classify this is an expense, no future economic benefit that the entity is going to receive. Hence, purchase of a property, plant, and equipment, just like we discuss here, is also an outflow of resource. So if in this case any outflow of resource happens, you need to think from two perspectives. Whether the outflow is an expense. If it is an expense, it will go to the profit or loss statement as a period outflow. And if it is a cost, which means the benefit is yet to be realized, it will go to the balance sheet. It will go to the balance sheet as an asset, and I would be able to I would be able to disclose that, for example, $100,000 of benefit are expected to receive from a particular asset that is being capitalized. Hence, in the definition, IASP included the term more than 1 year, which means if even though we are capitalizing an asset, we need to make sure that the benefit should be for more than 1 year. If this is not the case, then in such a case there is no point of capitalizing, because all the amount of outflow that we have done, it will be classified as an expense. Hence, it is included within the definition of property, plant, and equipment to bifurcate between the outflow, between the costs and the expense.